In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a community primary on Roblox. By making a community primary, it means it will be given the most or the highest priorities amongst your communities when it comes to listing. So if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now to do this, go ahead and log into your Roblox account and then go to more here. Under this, go ahead and choose communities. And this will list all the communities that you are in. Go ahead and decide which community you want to make primary. For my case, I'd like to go ahead and make this second community as primary. To do that, tap on it and you'll have more details about this community. And go ahead and tap on these three dots here. And we have an option here to make primary. So to make this community group primary, go ahead and tap on yes. And now this group will have the primary preference in everything. As you can see, it is now primary and on top. So that's how you can make a community primary on Roblox. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.